Yes, good morning children. How are you? I hope you are fine at home and continue your study. Today I am going to discuss about highest common factor. I hope you are familiar about the common factors. So let's start how to find the highest common factor, and the short form of highest common factor known as HCF. So let us discuss how to find the highest common factor. Suppose I want to HCF of 15 and 21. So first to write all the factors of 15 and all the factors of 21. So I hope you know how to write the factors of the given number. Suppose I want to write factors of 15. You know that how to find the factors of any number. You were using two methods, multiplication and division method. So suppose you want to write factors of 15. You know the one is a factors of all number, and the highest factor of 15 is 15, and the smallest factor of 15 is 1. You know that 1 is a factor of all numbers. So 1, and then you can test probability. 3 divides 15, so 3 is also factor of 15. So write 3. And 15 divided by 5, so 5 is also factor of 15. And 15 is also factor of 15. Hence all the factors of 15 is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Suppose you want to write the factors of 21. You have to write all the factors of 21. That is, you have to test which number divides 21, or 21 divided by which number. So smallest factor of 21 is 1, because 1 is a factor of all numbers. And see, 21 divided by 3. So 3 is a factor of 21, and 21 divided by 7, so 7 is also factor of 21, and then after 7, 21 divided by itself, that is 21 is a factor of 21. Then suppose you want to write common factors of 15 and 21. Common factor of 15 and 21 are the factors which are factors of 15 and 21. Suppose you want to write common factors of 15 and 21. Then see which numbers are factors of 15 as well as 21. So suppose you want to write common factors. So see here, these and these. Here 1 and 3 are common factors of 15 and 21. So you have to write 1 and 3. Common factors are the factors which are factors of 2 or more than 2 numbers. Here common factors of 15 and 21 is 1 and 3. That is 1 and 3 both divides 15 and 21 both. So common factors of 15 and 21 is 1 and 3. And here suppose you want to write here highest common factor. Highest common factor. So highest common factor, which is highest, 1 and 3. You have to select greatest one. Here 1 and 3, which is greater? 3. Hence highest common factor of 15 and 21 is 3. In short form, we can write HCF of 15 and 21 is 3. That is HCF of 15 and 21 is 3. Here this method was to write highest common factor by using common factors method. One or two more methods are there in your syllabus. Here prime factorization method and long division method or ladder division method. So I am going to discuss how to find the common factor by using this method. This method was class 4 also. So let's start the book exercise. Children, your first question is find the common factors of the following group of numbers. Your numbers are given on page number 60. You can take your textbook and open page number 60. Here asking only common factors. In first question is not asking highest common factor. Here asking common factor. You can use any method, that is division or multiplication. So first to write all the factors are 22 and 33 and then select common factors. That is the factors which are 22 and 33 both. So let's start to write all factors of 22. All factors you know the test divisibility. Which number can divide 22? Or 22 divided by which number? So you know that 1 is a factor of all numbers. Because if 22 divided by 1, there will be no remainder. So 1 is a factor of 22 and 22 divided by 2. 22 is a even number. Its ones place is 2. So divided by 2. So 2 is a factor of 22. So write 2. And after 2, see 22 is not divided by 3. Because if 22 divided by 3, there will be remainder. Or you can check 22 is not divided by 3 because sum of the digit will be 4. 4 is not divided by 3. So 4 is not factor of 22. Then come after 4, 5 is not factor of 22 because 22 is not divided by 5. 6 also not factor of 22. So after 2 there will be 11. 11 is a factor of 22 and after 11 there will be 22. So all the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22. So after that you have to write all the factors of 33. All the factors of 33. So 1, 3, 11 and 33. Then you have to select the number which are factors of 22 and 33 both. Here asking common factors. In common factor. So see here 1 and 11. Common factor is short form, you can write CF. CF known as short form of common factor. We are not asking highest common factor. We are asking only common factors. So common factors of 22 and 33 are 1 and 11. That is 1 and 11 both number divides 22 and 33 both. So now you have to do here third one. Second will be homework. So let's start here third one. Third one here number are given 28 and 35. So see your textbook. Third number is given 28 and 33. And 35. I hope you know to write all factors of given number. So you have to write all factors of 28. 1, 2, 4, 7, 14 and 28. You know that smallest factor of any number is 1 and highest factor of that number itself the number 28, and in between you can check. And then all the factors of 35. 1 is a factor of all numbers. 1, 35 divided by 5 and 7 and then 35 only. Then here select common factors. Common factors of 28 and 35 are the factors which are factors of both number 28 and 35. So see here 1 and 7. So write here 1 and 7. That is common factor of 28 and 35 are 1 and 7. Fourth, you will do yourself. Now fifth one is simple like first one, 15 and 21. So now come on here, fifth one. Yes, it's written fifth one here, given 15 and 21. 15 and 21. You have to retain already all the factors of 15 and 21. So you have to write all the factors of 15. Here 1, 3, 5 and 15. And all the factors of 21 is 1, 3, 7 and 21. Common factors 1 and 3. One is 1 and 3. Now here's seventh one. One 105 and 120. So you know test eligibility. You can find the factors, all the factors of 105. What is the factor of all numbers? So write 1 and then 105. This is divided by 3 because sum of the digit will be 6. 1 plus 0 plus 5, sum of the digit will be 6. 6 is divided by 3, therefore 105 divided by 3, and therefore 3 is a factor of 105. If you don't know test eligibility, you cannot get the factors of the given number. So it is very important to revise and understand. You have to do more and more practice test eligibility, that is previous chapters. You don't know how to find that factors, you are unable to find the SCF and LCM also, so it create problem. So you have to write all the factors of 105, 1 and 3. After 3, 5 and then 7 and then 15. And then 35 and 105. And similarly you have to write all the factors of 120. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, after 5, 8 and 10 and 12 and 15 also. 15, after 15, 20 and 24 and then 60, that is 30 also, 40 also, 60 also, and 120. Now here asking common factors. You have to write this line below. I am using short form to write common factors, so you can write CO. Common factors, first to write 1. 1 is always common factor of all numbers, so first to write at least 1. And then select here 3 here also, 3 here also, 1, 3, 5, 15. So 1, 3, sorry, 1 is written already. 1, 3, 5 and 15. These are common factors of 105 and 120, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. And I am going to discuss about your 9th one. So you have to see your textbook, question number 9. Here 3 numbers are given. You have to write the all factors of all 3 numbers, then select common factors. So let's start 9th one. Here find all the common factors of 15, 20 and 25. So you have to write all the factors of 15, 20 and 25 and then select common factors. I hope you understand and you can do it. So here common factors 15, 20 and 25, only 1 and 5. So write here common factor, that is short form of common factors here. This here 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. I hope all of understand, and I will discuss the second question in next video. Thank you for watching the video.